Hi friends, welcome to Muthukumar's talk. So today we are going to discuss about today is an important day, September 10th, World Suicide Prevention Day. World Suicide Prevention Day was organized by International Association for Suicide Prevention. So, and its co-sponsor is World Health Organization. So, what is the purpose of World Suicide Prevention Day? The purpose of it is to prevent suicides which is happening around the world. And their motto is that suicide is not the solution for any problem. So, if you see, always suicide. You can hear in newspaper and you can hear from anywhere. So whether suicide is a solution for us? No. So what are they trying to say? Suicide is something that the individual himself hurting him and ending his life. So why we need to hurt ourselves? So why we are getting so much of problems? Why we are having stress, anxiety? So if we are having stress, how to control it? There are lots and lots of detailed videos in YouTube, in newspaper. There are lots and lots of articles also related to it. So what I am trying to say in this video is life is just a gift given by God. Life is just only once. If you utilize in a useful way, everyone has life. So everyone has some purpose in their life. So find your purpose. Certain problems may come, certain problems may go. So why I am saying this all? So because when I see this data, it is shocking for me. Now I will read the data. Suicide is the leading cause of death among the youths in India. At the age of 15 to 29, 20% of the death is because of suicide and 14% is because of cardiovascular diseases. So 11% accident. So we cannot control cardiovascular disease. We cannot control accidents. But we can control, but it is not in our hands. Accidents can happen because accident itself meaning that it cannot be controlled. So it is because of certain other reasons. It is external force. What is internal force? Suicide. 20% of suicide. It is the highest among the death because of youth. So what is it? The leading cause is suicide. So how to control it? There are lots and lots of steps. So what are the steps which I suggest is daily do meditation. Daily have a routine that daily at least for 10 minutes you should allocate for doing meditation. You can have musics, peaceful musics, as well as you can listen to devotional songs and motivational songs. First of all, you need to talk and communicate with others. Why I am saying communication is important? When you communicate with others, when you share your problems with others, they will give you certain solutions also. When they give you solutions, it will be somewhat easy for you also. So you can easily tackle the problem which you have. So another thing is spend time with your family. Daily at least spend at least half an hour or 20 minutes. When you spend time with family, it is like a stress burster. Nowadays, people are keeping stress with themselves. If you keep stress with yourself, if you, for example, I will say, you will blow a balloon. That means it will keep on, the balloon will expand. So, till how much it can expand? If it is expand continuously, it has to burst. Same way, stress also. If you keep the stress inside you, the frustrations inside you, it will also need a burst. It will also burst one day. So, burst your stress daily. How to burst? Spend time with your family, listen to devotional songs, spend time with your friends, have time for yourself, then think what is life, have motivational musics in your phone and read books. So they are saying that if you read a book, any book can change your life. So those who read, they are mentally strong. So if you are mentally strong, then definitely suicides can be definitely controlled. So what are the another statistics I want to say is that one student dies every 60 minutes. So it is, see how one student is dying every 60 minutes. So what, till last 10 years 75,000 students have committed suicide. Because of what? Because of stress, anxiety. They cannot have problem. So what is education teaching us? Whether how to prevent suicides. So in order to prevent suicide, the education system which tells us that suicide is not correct, so it is not the way, it is not a solution. The education system is saying, but why students are committing suicides? If you see, means the problem is once they are not understanding, they are not having the capacity to tackle it. So in order to develop that capacity, see lots and lots of YouTube videos. There are lots and lots of motivational videos. So if you are youngsters, they are having stress that in 10th 12th they have to get good marks, and after their 12th they have to go to good colleges, after colleges they have to do their masters, after master they have to go to their job. So they are having lot of stress inside them, so they are also carrying their family stress also. So think in your mind that suicide is not only the solution. It is not at all a solution. It is just those who are mad, those who are crazy only will always commit suicide. Those who are strong, those who are having courage, those who have the courage to face the problem, they are the achievers. If you are not facing a problem, then how will you be successful? You should face a problem and then you have to succeed that problem. If the problem is breaking you, it's not life. You should break the problem. If it is coming to you, you have to break it. That's all. Same way, for 40 seconds, an individual is dying. So every day 2,200 people are dying because of suicide. In a year, 8 lakh people are dying because of suicide. So why? Suicide is controllable. If it is not controllable, it is not in our hands. We cannot bother about it. We should not we should not think about it. If we are thinking, we are, what to say, we have to think suicide is controllable. If you are having a mindset that we should not commit suicide, then we will not commit it. So now you all take a pledge that I will not commit suicide in my life. If you are having a pledge, if you are taking an oath that I will not make a suicide, I will not commit a suicide, means definitely we will not commit it. So my humble request is, whoever sees this video, please take a pledge that I will not commit suicide. So human is the most valuable resource in the world. So why we need to come to an end? Whether our life is in our hands, so no one is depending on anyone. So there may be problems in your life. Problem is a part of life. So if problem is not there, then you cannot grow. Problem helps you to grow. In maths also we are having problem. Those who solve the problem, they are getting marks and getting good grades. Same way, those who are solving the problems which they have in their life, then they are achieving it. So problem is a chance for you to prove that you are also an achiever in the society. So face problem courageously and take a pledge that I will not commit a suicide. It's in our hand. Our life, our mindset, we have to change it. We will achieve it. We are the valuable resource in the world. So change your mindset. There may come stress, there may come anxiety, anything can come, but you should be mentally fit. Physical fitness is not important at all. Mental fitness is also not important. If you think means you are a man, you should be physically fit, you should also be mentally fit. If you are having both these fitness, you can achieve anything in this world. So stay fit mentally and physically. Face any problem in the world and achieve it. So thank you. Signing off by Muthukumar.